We are in the Cloudburst platform. Once you've logged in, you'll see this welcome screen. We have our data points here and the sources that we're collecting from up here, as well as overview of what sources will be coming next. But for the purposes of alpha signal, we'll go to the signals section. And you'll see a list of assets that we've generated signals for in the last 72 hours. So this would be the most popular signals recently. And you'll see a lot of chains here: Bitcoin, Avalanche, Ethereum, and down here we have something called a crowd pump, which is numerous chats trading the same asset. And we can go into one of those signals here, this BLZ asset, and we can see that this message, which is right here, BLZ and Tether, this was posted in this Profit Crypto Calls Telegram channel. And since it says caption here, we pulled this text out of the image and the message was sent at this time. So according to their own buy targets and stop targets, we can see that they expected this to be a long, and we did our own analysis through our data science work to determine what price point we think it could hit and in which duration. So if we're looking at the price movement, we thought it could hit this purple line in the best scenario by the time it gets to this aqua line. And you can see it hit this, it well exceeded the target and also sold off pretty promptly. There was a volume increase. And so that is a signal example. If we were to go back to this, we also group these signals into events. So these are a group of signals with the same asset. And in this case, we see an event with two signals for STG, and they're coming from two different chats, the scalping chat and this quality signals channel chat. They have a few thousand people each. Sometimes these chats go up to over 1 million people. So you can link activity happening across multiple chats on the same asset. We can also look at time pumps. Time pump is when a specific chat will instruct its users to all buy a coin at the same time. We see an event like this one, ZPC. We found 12 signals for this event. So this is all in the same chat. This is a DeFi universe chat, but it starts with the earliest mention, which is at 6:54 on the 17th. And it says there's a pump announcement. It's going to happen at this time using this exchange. So have your tether ready. But then it starts to do a countdown: 7 hours, 3 hours, 2 hours, 1 hour, 20 minutes, 10 minutes, 5 minutes. And then next name is the money name, and it says ZPC. So at this time, everyone is supposed to buy this coin. And you can see about 36 minutes later, they post a result of the pump. And according to them, it was 27,000% gain. And you'll likely see that these chats are working with other chats to front run the downstream chats. So not only are they making a profit on the pump, they're also making a profit on getting in earlier on the pump. You can also traverse deeper into that community. And you can also look at a coin in general to see what's happening on that coin. Here's this DeFi universe chat. You can see that it primarily posts at this time of the day. And a large percentage of the messages posted have been flagged by AI as being manipulation versus some other topics. And if you need to look back at the data, you can look back at the raw messages as well. You can go to the coin itself, Bitcoin. We assess this to be low because the people trading it are not moving the market very effectively relative to normal trading activity. But you can look at the level of wash trading. We can see by this yellow orange line that the ratio of wash trading is very low, which we would expect. You can also see the number of mentions of Bitcoin in all of our data, as well as the sentiment of those messages about Bitcoin. And then finally, we can see the chats that are trading the most in Bitcoin and what the composition of those chats is as well.